Hey traders, hope you all had an awesome weekend. So a quick update here, starting with nat gas. I'm going to go through gold and crude oil today. By the way, we have our take profit hit. If you have seen my last video here on S&P 500, our target has been hit according to the ATR. As you can see, ATR is 23 and 23 pips target. And on Nasdaq 100 as well, as you can see, target of 90 points has been hit as mentioned in my last video. So that is what we call a good condition. If you have seen the video, that's awesome. And if you take this trade, that's awesome. So without wasting any time, let's start with net gas. Nice one. So as you can see, the price is now pushing up and in a nice bullish momentum. So at this point, there are two ways of entering this trade. Number one, wait for the price to come and hit 50% retracement, which is here on currency.com 2.587, and you can set your limit order here. The second way, if you want to use the upper level of this zone, if you are a very aggressive trader, then that looks something like this. And as you can see, the 50% retracement has been rejected right here. That could be your limit order. And this is something I can't explain in a single video. When I used my lower level and when I used my upper level, this is something my MMTA students are learning. So at this point, that also looks valid to me. And if you decide to enter like this in a very aggressive way, then 1618 retracement will be your target, which is 2.804. That would be your target if you want to enter right here. So still look bullish to me, not taking any sell trades at this point. So similar here on Awanda, but here on Awanda, as you can see, the price action is pushing a bit differently from the other platforms. So here I'm not pushing my fib tool to the upper level, because if you see here, after the break of this zone, we have a retest of 50% and then price just hit my 1618 retracement. So I will still keep it like this, and we can use 1618 retracement for the target. So according to this platform, the trade is still running. If you would have entered using the upper level of this zone, then this would be your target. So keep an eye here. I'm still expecting a push up out of net gas. Let's check gold. Right, we did have a nice push up as mentioned in my last video, and members should have received these zones right here. The price did pushed up from here. It's still not bullish at this point. We can still get this pattern, which is likely a double bottom pattern. If I see that pattern, I will enter my another long trade. So that is what I'm expecting from gold. So not selling, only waiting for my price to come back in this rejection area. We already have a push up right here. So that is why I'm just waiting for another way of entering this trade. With that would be my double bottom. If it breaks and close above 20 EMA, then the next target the price will hit, possibly hit, is 50 EMA, wherever the 50 EMA will be on the charts. So keep an eye here. Break above, then it can push up to 50 EMA. Otherwise, that is my another area to enter this trade. Let's check crude oil. So crude oil is now pushing down. Still not much of movement here on crude oil. As you can see, the price is now pushing down. I'm still expecting some bearish moves out of crude oil. My zone to buy crude oil is right here. Till then, I'll be only looking for my bearish trade. This zone is 70.57 and goes up to 72.41. I've redone the zones over the weekend. In case you have missed it, this is the zone to take your buy counter trade. Till then, we are only looking for sell opportunities. As long as price is trading below 50 EMA, not buying until price breaks above 50 EMA, dramatically push up, then in that case, there will be a change of direction. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.